Today, let's make some ramen eggs. We need some medium-sized eggs, soy sauce, mirin, and water. First, let's make the marinade by mixing mirin, soy sauce, and water together. Start by boiling some water and make sure there's enough water to cover the eggs fully. Gently and carefully add the eggs into the boiling water. Reduce the fire to the lowest and let it simmer for 7 minutes. Then, add the boiled eggs into ice cold water and leave it there for at least 10 minutes. Peel the eggs carefully. Add the eggs into the marinade. And chill it in the fridge for at least an hour. You see how easy it is to make ramen eggs? I hope you like my recipe and do subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos.